students, today we discuss about Python modules, the built-in modules we used in Pythons. As in our previous class, we discussed what the modules are. Module is just a Python code, or we can say that module is a file consisting of a Python code that can define functions, classes and variables related to a particular task. Built-in modules we used are math module. It is a standard module in Python and it is always available. And to use the mathematical functions under this module, we have to import this module by using a import statement. And to use math module, we can write import math. Suppose we want to find the square root of 4. So we import math module by writing import math, then math.sqrt and the value of whom square root we want to find. Now next we use square root. The functions in math module are sqrt. It is used for finding the square root of a given number. Then cell, it function approximates the given number to a smallest integer greater than or equal to the given floating point number. Floor function returns largest integer less than or equal to a given number. Power function, POW method receives two floating arguments, raises the first to the second and returns the result. So, in other words, it is equivalent to 2 raised to the power 3. Next, fabs function we use. It is used for returning the absolute value of x. The math module contains functions for calculating various trigonometric ratios like sine, cos, tan, etc. Need the angle and radians as an argument. Then we use log function. It returns the base 10 algorithm of x. For example, we want to find the square root of 65. We can write import math, print math.sqrt 65. The next module we used is the random module, and it is used for generating random numbers. It provides access to functions that support many operations. Perhaps the most important thing is that it allows us to generate random numbers. And then various functions we used in this are a random.randint, and it accepts two parameters, a lowest and a highest number. It's the low index and the lower bound and the upper bound. And suppose we want to generate the random numbers between 0 and 5, and this function gives integer value. So we use random.randint, and the lower value is 0 and the highest value is 5. So it generates the random numbers between 0 and 5. Next, random.random, it generates float. If we want to generate floating values, so we use random function. Randint function generates integer values. Random.random function generates float values. Rand range, अगर हमें कोई range देनी है, suppose we want to generate values between 0 to 100 and we want to keeping values भी step value भी देना चाह रहे, तो उस range के लिए हम rand range function use करते हैं. Generate random numbers from a specified range and also allow rooms for steps to be included. Then statistics module है. This module provides functions for calculating mathematical statistics of numeric data, and in the functions we use functions and statistics module are mean, median and mode. Mean returns the simple arithmetic mean of a data which can be a sequence or iterator. The arithmetic mean is the sum of data divided by the number of data points or the average. For this import statistics then use mean. Suppose ये list है, इसका हमें mean find करना है, then we give that list in a as a argument. In the same way we can find the median also. It returns the middle value or median of a numeric data using common mean of middle 2 method. If data is empty, statistics error is raised. मीडियन के लिए भी हमने लिस्ट दिया, तो इसका जो मीडियम है, मिडल एलिमेंट है, मिडल वैल्यू रिटर्न कर देगा ये. Then we have mode. It returns the most common data point from discrete or nominal data. The mode is the most typical value and it is a robust measure of central location. If data is empty or if there is not exactly one most common value, error is raised. मोड, इसमें कॉमन वैल्यू हमारी मोस्ट कॉमन वैल्यू 3 है, हमने लिस्ट दिया तो इसमें मोस्ट कॉमन वैल्यू 3 था, रिटर्न कर दिया 3. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट द बिल्ट इन मॉड्यूल्स. थैंक यू.